Our proposal for this product is to add an automatic washer and dryer feature for the coffee machine. Added buttons, squeeze coffee grounds. The lid will have the mechanic that squeezes the coffee grounds until fully dried, and excess fluid goes into the water glass carafe. Once dried, discard immediately. Wash. Soap and water from another reservoir will clean and the filter basket and the carafe. Water will automatically rinse and then the machine will drain it. Dry. The filter basket and carafe will be dried by hot air. Added reservoir. Number 1, water for washing. Number 2, liquid soap.